everybody, it's Middle SC back again. I'm back with my August random pack break. Today looks like we have about 63 packs to open. I picked these up at local card shops, local card shows, and online. And of course some retail spots too. So I got baseball, basketball, football, racing, and hockey to break today. Should be kind of fun break. Hoping for a couple cards to add to the collection. I got some older hockey. Let's go ahead and start that. We got a few packs of older hockey. What is this? 1990 Pro Set. So not too much gonna come out of these. Maybe a couple old name guys. Let's see. If anybody sees a nice hockey card, lets me know. Those are the odds, man. I know that. Luke Robitaille, Ramsey. We got 97, 98 Leaf. It's hard to read the names here. We got one backwards card here. Linden, Klein, Ork, Campbell, Belfour. Nice. Brett Hall. Richter. Good names in that pack. I got more Pro Set, 90-91. I bought a big box of hockey packs. There's all kinds of random old packs here. So, there's Chelios. Alright, not much in that pack. This one has got a coin in it. I opened up. We got a Lindros coin out of my last one. Let's see what we get this time. Mint collection. Got Jim Campbell. I guess you're supposed to put the coin in there. I got Pavel Bure. Coin. Just the back. Front. Alright. There's the coin. Kind of interesting concept with that one. 2005, 2006 Parkhurst. Daly. Johnson. I'll try to get some better, newer hockey packs in the next break. And just like I said, I bought a bunch of these old packs. So we'll go through those. Madonna. Mario Lemieux, Pro Set, Ray Shepard. Alright, last pack, Pinnacle, 98. Roenick. Sticking a little bit, but not too bad. Rookie, Eric Rasmussen. Not bad looking Pinnacle cards. Alright. Rookie. Olel. Taking a little bit. Signature moves. Brian Leach. Alright, not much in hockey. Definitely will not be opening too many more of those packs. Let's move to racing. Actually, racing was not bad last time, so let's see if we get some 2007 Press Pass Premium. We got a shot at one of these packs. Dale Earnhardt Jr. Media Day. Jack Sprague. Michael Waltrip. Not bad design there. Joe Nemechek. We got Tracks. Not sure what year. Oh, that's a tough pack here. Truex, Hamlin, Track Time, Kevin Harvick. Nice foil looking there. Bobby Labonte and Sterling Marlin. 2007 Press Pass Stealth. Rudiman. Ryan Newman approved. Big Decoy. Stewart and Earnhardt Transport. 2008 Press Pass. Kyle Busch, Reagan, Bernhard Jr., Ryan Newman, Race Day, Slideshow, and Lee Petty Legends. Got Stealth, 2007, I believe. Jeff Burton, Stenhouse, Regan Smith, Allmendinger, Casey Kane. Alright, last pack of NASCAR 2008. Press Pass VIP. Kyle Busch, Regan Smith, Gear Gallery, Tony Stewart. Bad looking card there. And Dave Reagan. Alright. Not much in hockey or racing. Alright, let's see if football can help out. I got a few packs here of 2018 Classics. We got Sanders, Baldwin, Frank Gore, Fitzgerald, Bruce Smith, Ty Law, Mike Singletary, and Branch. Reddick, Tom Brady, Trubisky, Stabler, Elway, Clinton Portis. Oh, not much in these. Alright, last pack of 18 Classics. Diggs, Kuechly, Cooper, and we got a hit. Ooh, not a bad one. Jared Goff, Saturday swatches. Good way to start off the break. Well, California uni there. Jared Goff jersey. Alright, hit number 1. Tim Brown, Elway, Steve Young, and Colt. Alright, moving to 2017 Panini. Of course, looking for anything Mahomes would be nice. Palmer, Jones, Bradford, Joe Hayden, numbered to 399, look like a green parallel. Not the quarterback I was looking for, Nathan Peterman, rookie. Watkins, Brady, and Gordon. I got 2 more packs of that. 2 more shots. Nelson, Evans, Gurley, Justin Tucker, Kick Squad. Brian Hill, rookie. Edelman, Kelsey, Kerrigan. Alright, last pack of 17 Panini. Dak Prescott, Sherman, Beckham. Ooh, there we go. The Rooks. Patrick Mahomes. Not a huge rookie, but still very happy with that one. I'll put him in a sleeve real quick. And I think he's going to have another good year this year. Alan McCaffrey, rookie, not too bad either. It's a pretty good pack. Already got 18 hanger pack of Panini. I think Mayfield would be good. There's always a good trade bait. Dak Prescott, Rex Burkhead, Riddick again, Fuller, Howard, Andy Dalton, Joey Bosa, Justin Tucker, Cooper Kupp, ooh, Juju Smith-Schuster, that was a Panini copper on top, and Tevin Smith, Antonio Brown, Lightspeed, Tony Gonzalez, franchise leaders, only one rookie, Kyle Allen. Again, I love the rookies this year. Got the texture, darkened edges. I think it looked really nice. And you didn't get a lot of them per in the retail. Alright, let's move to 2018 Absolute Hangar Pack. AJ Green. These are great looking, but they're a pretty short checklist here. Sean Lee, Antonio Brown. We got Revolutionaries, Jerome Bettis. Blake Bortles, late gamer heroics, not so much anymore. Tanner Lee, rookie. Fred Warner, rookie. And we got White, Prescott, Ajay, Watson, Henry, Donald, Zay Jones. Alright, here's the rest of the football. Got a hanger pack of 17 Donruss. I think we had another model to get to. Wagner, Jim Zorn, Gronk, Walter Payton, Ingram, Alexander. Alright, we got blue press proof Vontae Davis, Kevin Coleman, Williams, and a Foreman rookie. Dominators, I was getting a lot of Antonio Browns. Jake Butt, Zay Jones, Malcolm McDowell rookie. Oh, no Mahomes that time. Alright, we got a Hangar Pack of 2016 Prism Draft Picks. I always get these and never get anything out of them. I picked this out and said, why did I pick this up? I don't know. Maybe we'll get something one of these times. We got Manning, Deshaun Jackson, Butler, and Cravens. Base. If I get nothing out of this, I'm not going to buy any of these anymore. Blake Bortles, Connor Cook rookie, Patty rookie. P, Yeldon, Spriggs, and Clark. Alright, the parallel pack. Looks like a teal color. Billings rookie, Bingle, Robinson, and Stafford. So not too much. This pack is not bad looking. I do like the parallels in this, but it seems like you'd never get color or anything in the regular packs. Alright, we've got a Hangar Pack of 2017 Panini. Kerrigan, Matthews, Rakpos, Hayden, Carr, Hill, Landry, foil, Andy Dalton foil, O.J. Howard, the Rooks, Howie Long, accolades, Evans, Joe Mixon, hey, I like that one, Andrew Luck, Lacey, Drew Brees, and Matt Ryan. Alright, we got 2013 Platinum Hangar Packs. Rakpo, Pettigrew, Williams. Ooh, nice. No PC for me there. X-Fractor of Eifert, rookie. Hopefully he can stay healthy. Ryan Matthews, White, Amendola, and Gord. Don't remember him. Alright, last pack, and then we got the parallel pack. Trent Richardson, Sprogs, Charles, and Eddie Lacy rookie. Alright, orange parallel pack. Zach, Monte Ball, Denard Robinson. Alright, pretty happy with the Eifert in that one. Alright, 2017 Optic. Let's see if we can get a Mahomes Optic. Baldwin, Hill, Suggs, Matt Ryan, Eli Manning, Thomas rookie, Marvin Jones, Blake Bortles, Stafford, Bosa, Rivers, Cooks. Not so much. Alright, we got the brand new 2019 Absolute. I just opened up some retail. Yeah, it was alright. I did get a gold out of 50 out of Hangar Pack. Didn't get any numbered cards out of the blasters. We get a ton of rookies in this. Williams, Brown, Greedy Williams, Henderson, Rapp, Justice Hill, Abram, Pollard. We got Tom Brady base. Mariota, Trubisky, Chubb, Ryan. We got Lamar Jackson green parallel. Aaron Rodgers green, not bad there. And that Blair rookie green. Ed Reed and Team Trios of the Packers. Alright. Alright, I do a little cleanup. Alright. We got Jan Manziel. Hopefully we don't hit Jan Manziel in this pack. 2014 Tops. Nichols, Roby, X-Fractor. Ooh, Edelman. That is numbered. Not numbered, but pretty nice looking card there. Kaepernick. All right, we should have a second hit here. 2014 Topps Turkey Red. Looking for that Odell Beckham, Carr, Garoppolo, Mack, Khalil Mack. There's several decent ones in there. Evans. Alright. Doesn't look like I got a printing plate. I have a pretty good shot at printing plate in these. Ooh, what did I get there? Of course, these are all rookie cards. We got James White, not bad. Coleman, Lynch, Latimer, Dixon, Crowell, Marsh, Logan Thomas, Huff. You can see I got a parallel autograph. What do we get? James White. Nice. Oh my gosh, I didn't know those were 1-1. Boom. Nice. 101 James White Turkey Red rookie auto. Not expecting that. Got a little soft corner, but it's a 1-1. Who cares? Nice. Alright, I'm pretty happy with the breakdown. I don't need much else to be happy with that. The 1-1 James White. Let's at least leave him. Wow. There's a boom. I can't remember if I've hit a 1-1 on the random pack breaks. Maybe one. I didn't think I was a printing plate. Alright, good way to end football. Let's go ahead and move to basketball. Oh, sorry, this is a complete hanger pack. Not expecting too much out of this. We'll go through kind of quick. Dudley, Wiggins, Steve Blake, Vince Carter, Holly Stein, Alexander, Chris Paul Gold, Anthony Lee, Aldridge, Plumlee, Josh Richardson rookie gray, not terrible. There, Crowder, and these. All right, we got 15-16 Donruss hanger pack. We got Lillard, Butler, Jack, Jones, Porter, Carter Williams, Mel Nelson, Harris, Wiggins, DeMar DeRozan, extra edition. Justin Anderson rookie. Jokic rated rookie. Not bad either. Cunningham and Harris. Alright. 16-17 Threads. Looking for the Ben Simmons. Morris. J.J. Redick. We got a Bradley Beal. Ooh, another hit. Up to our third hit. Bradley Beal jersey from Threads. Nice. We got Ding. Gortat. Lowry. Smart. Anthony Davis. Alright. Nice surprise hit. Let's go ahead and open up the 17-18 Prestige hanger box. Below, I had these for cheap, like, I don't know, it was like $3.95 or something like that. It's a lot of cards. You can barely hold them. Alright, we'll go through them kind of quick. Jokic, Embiid. Oh, come on. There's more Young, Rubio, Dirk, Parsons, Giannis. They're going to be this way. Giannis base card. Gordon Hayward. And you got backwards cards. Holiday, Kuzma rookie, nice. There we go. Good looking rookie card. Dwight Howard, Ben Simmons, real highlight reel. John Wall, Justin Jackson, Blake Griffin, Grant Hill, all-time greats. Curry, Stat Stars. Man, these are just every which way. Anthony Towns. Bob Pettit, and then the etch, not a bad one there. Dennis Smith Jr. Very nice. Derek White. Another Curry. Stat Stars parallel this time. Very cool. We got a Bayu rookie. Ferguson rookie. Well, there's a lot to this pack. That was a pretty fun box. Hanger box. Monk. Klay Thompson. Fox rookie. Alright. Let's move to Essentials. We got Lonzo Ball. Jason Kidd. Essential Legends. Josh Jackson. Ulis, Porzingis, Dotson, Dragic, Josh Hart, rookie, Anderson, Zach Collins, Blake Griffin, John Collins, Bradley, Burks, and Logan. Alright, not too much in that pack. Let's move to Optic. Got a couple different optics here. We got Randall, Ricky Rubio, Silver Prism, Jordan Bell, and Anobi. Other optic, 1819 optic. Edmund, Ingram, Gasol, silver, and Michael Porter Jr. Not bad there. I was hoping that was silver. Not a bad rookie. Alright, with some older packs here. 1999-2000 Flared Edition. I got some of these older basketball packs from Steel 7. For much less, I pulled that Vince Carter rookie refractor from one of their packs, but they didn't have any more of those top chrome packs. That was an awesome pull was it last month? Glenn Robinson, Allen Iverson, kind of cool. Eddie Jones, Red Parallel, Brian Grant, Sean Marion. Sean Marion rookie. Oh, okay. Pretty good player. Okonadini, rookie sensations. Did not remember him. Alright, moving to 2006-2007 Upper Deck. Grant Hill. Nice. Quentin Richardson. And star rookie Patrick O'Brien. Not numbered. 3 cards in that pack. Alright, 2007-2008 Topps. Jason Kidd. Steve Nash. I'll get some Hall of Famers here. Jason Terry. Bynum. Haslam. Henrik. Paul Pierce. Checklist. Oh, look at that. One pack. One Kevin Durant. Not a huge rookie, but card, but still pretty nice. Looks in pretty good shape, actually. Let's put him in the sleeve. Kevin Durant rookie. Hey, can't complain anytime you pull Kevin Durant rookie. Phillips and Wright. Alright, let's move to these rookies and stars. Bowman rookies and star draft picks. 2007-2008. Let's see, do I need my knife? Nope. Blister packs. I wish they made more blister packs. Got the pack fillers from going through them. Aldridge, Eddie Curry, Luau Ding, Bowman Chrome, Ginobili, and Dunleavy. Alright, got Chronicles 1819, one of my favorite products. It was just so bad last year. 1819 they did a really nice job with it. Be probably pretty wild if they do it this year with Zion, all those parallels and stuff. Be crazy. Holiday, Obamba, Curry, Trae Young rookie from Elite, Bagley from Essential, not bad there. I do love the Obsidian. Shamet rookie, Bagley again, Bagley again, and it's a Bagley pack. Jerome Robinson, Net, Aton, and Wendell Carter. I did order a box of that. Probably open up next week if I get it. Alright, final basketball break. Been pretty nice. 15-16 Prism. Grant rookie. Bill jersey card. Nice rookie. Basketball is pretty good. And finally got baseball after this pack. Reed, Morris, Ingles, and LeBron James. Pack 2. Wall, Iguodala, Wilkes, and Johnson. Silver Prism. Deng, Favors, Francis, and Jordan. Alright, let's see if there's something in this Prism pack. Otto Porter. Or Eaton. Oh, not too much in that pack. Alright, let me clean up my basketball and then we'll move on to baseball and we'll finish the break. Alright, I get the basketball cleaned up, so let's go ahead and finish up with baseball. It's been a fun break. Got a 1-on-1 auto. You don't hit those very often. But let's see if we can get something nice out of baseball. We'll get this older pack. I don't know, I found this, I think, at Walmart. What, 2000, was it 14? Series 2? I don't even remember what was in these. But, I was like, oh, that's different. I haven't opened one of these in a while. Alright, let's see if there's anything in there. Yelich. Sizemore, Darvish, Rios, Cobb, Colton Wong rookie. Oh, got a serial number card. I don't have too many. Stanton and Cliff Lee face to face. That's actually pretty nice. Oh, foil card action. Alex Guerrero, the Rooks, and Dozer Diamond Kings. Buster Posey, Cutchin, Clowns. Reardon, Will Myers Studio. This stuff has gone down so much. Mike Trout. Hey, there we go. Elite foil. 2014. Not that big of a card, but pretty nice to pull out of one pack. Alright. An Odor rated rookie. Not too shabby. 2018 Series 1. Nunez, Maxwell. Oh, I think we got a hit. Granite, Montiel, Stanton. Betty rookie card, Dominic Smith rookie. Eric Hosmer, Brian Dozer. Bryce Harper, Legends in the Making. And Ryan Zimmerman, just base jersey card. Added to the hit pile. So it's, I think, 3 jerseys and 1 auto so far. Grandal. Dahl, Leak, Duffy, Dolinski, Wood, Erna, and Sale. Alright, get this Meyer exclusive hanger pack, which comes with a, I think, a purple parallel. So 2019 Series 2. I never hit any good purple ones yet. I'm still looking for a... These are pretty hard to... You don't see them too often because, like I said, it is Meyer only. So we got a Tiger. Get them out because it just sits in there loose. Victor Reyes, rookie purple. These are not numbered, but I think they look pretty nice. Alright, let's see what's in the pack. The Giants. Oh, we got home run challenge. I did win. Ooh, a Bellinger too. I'll have to plug this in. I did win a Kuno. So I'm waiting on that to get printed. But I'll have to do a Bellinger. Very cool. See if they're playing my Reds anytime soon. Actually, my Reds pitching hasn't been too bad this year. And we got Reggie Jackson, Mark McGuire, Histro through lines. Alright, another Meyer exclusive. These are just 35 cards. You can get this Beckett card on top. So, you can't complain about Trout. I think these were like $5-6. Nothing too spectacular in the pack. Man, some old school pack here. Look at that Pedro Guerrero. Ichiro. Receiver. Ooh, and that Mike Trout card. So I got 2 Trout cards in this at least. Aguilar, Ski, Cabrera, Garrett, Will Myers, Working Overtime Chronicles, Molina, Sanchez, Hendricks, Scherzer, Zimmerman, and then we get the Harper. There's 5,038.09. Yeah, so I got 2 Trout cards out of that. Not too bad. All right, National Baseball Card Day. Bowman Platinum. Get the Topps Gallery preview set. There's only like 3 or 4 cards in the set, I think. So. Go ahead and look at that first 4 card. Chris Bryant, we get the little stamp on him. That's one thing that's different. Molina, Aaron Judge, Ohtani. Alright, let's move over to these 2 packs. 2019 Bowman Platinum. Olivares, Seth Beer, Solak, Torres, Soto, Bader, Verlander, Taylor Wood. I think I did pull 1 autograph out of one of these. So, I was hoping that they weren't non-autograph packs, and I did. I think I opened up 3 of them. I think I got 1 auto out of 3. Tatis rookie, I bet. Josh James, Ryan O'Hearn, number to 250, rookie. Scooter Gannett, Steingard. All right, National Baseball Card Day. On Soto, there are chances for autographs in these. I pulled a Pete Alonso on my other pack. They gave me a pack when I did the Pedro Guerrero. I bought some packs for the Pedro card. Usually pitched him well. Alex Gordon, Manny Machado, Justin Verlander. That's a pretty nice rookie. Alright, we got 2019 Allen Ginter Hangar Pack. Hopefully we get 1 more hit out of the remaining packs. We got Verlander, first Tiger Mask, Benintendi Mini, Griffey Jr. Ginter Greats, Catfish Hunter, and another Benintendi pack. I really didn't open up much. 19. Ginter, Babe Ruth, Alonzo, Blue Brock. We got Mares and Stallions, Miniature Horse, the Giant Pumpkin, and Keller. Hamels, Lou Gehrig Mini, Ozzie Smith, the lead rookie, Robinson Aquarius, and O'Neill. Alright, let's check out those mini packs. I like that they have the back card there to protect them. Rosario, Rodriguez, Hernandez, Robinson, and Sheffield rookie. Alright, we got another 2018 Bowman Platinum. Otto, McMahon, Chris Davis, Duggard, Gonzalez, Keller, Royce Lewis. Not too much in that one. Alright, back to another 19 Bowman Platinum. Hangar Pack. Mullins, Victor Robles, Arenado, Chris Sale, Dean, McCutcheon, and a Trout. Alright. a hobby pack of high number heritage. Got this by get the Guerrero card, I think. Low Chavez rookie, not bad. Alex Bregman, Kelly, and a couple nice rookies there though. Alright, got a hobby of 2019 Bowman. Frankie, Suarez, Manning, Cole Winn, top 100. Beck, Rodriguez, Hasley. Alright. Hobby pack of 2019 Topps Chrome. Guzman, Torres, Greatness Returns, Jeter and Torres. Ooh, nice. Luis Urias Green Refractor, numbered in 99. Alright, not too shabby. And Willie Adams. Alright, final pack, 2019 National Pack. Let's see if we can get a Zion rookie. Yeah, be careful open this bag. 2 cards in and everything. Nedmar Jr. and Anthony Hardaway. Alright, that's a break. Let me get some of my favorite cards together and do a quick recap of the break. Alright, let's do a quick recap of the 63 pack, 62 pack of random stuff. And start with basketball. I did pretty well. I get this Curry parallel insert. And then the rookies, Michael Porter Jr. from Optic, Trae Young Elite from Chronicles, Dennis Smith Jr. Etched from Prestige, Kyle Kuzma Prestige Parallel, and how about an old school Kevin Durant rookie from Topps. And finally, I did get a Bradley Beal jersey card for one hit out of basketball. Racing and hockey, I didn't do too well. I didn't have the best packs, but maybe next time I'll do better with that. Baseball, got this Cody Bellinger Home Run Challenge, so I'll have to plug that guy in. Mike Trout Elite from 2014 Donruss. That was a pretty crazy pull there. This was from the Meyer pack. I got the Beckett Trout Harper number to 5,000. Ryan O'Hearn of Platinum number to 250. Face to Face Stanton and Cliff Lee number to 999. Uris Green Topps Chrome Refractor to 99. And Ryan Zimmerman jersey. Alright, football. Joe Hayden number to 399. Aaron Rodgers Green Parallel from Absolute this year. Rookie X-Fractor from Finest, Tyler Eifert. Julian Edelman X-Fractor. Jared Goff jersey from Classics. And I got a Patrick Mahomes, the Rooks rookie from Panini. And the big card of the break, James White 101 autograph from Turkey Red 2014. So fun break. I really enjoyed the break. Even without this card, it was a lot of fun. A lot of good rookies and a few hits. So I'll have a lot of fun going over all these cards on Labor Day. So that's it for this random pack break, guys. I'll be back next month with another one. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.